Today, we're comparing two premium robot vacuums that promise hands-free cleaning from start to finish, the MOVA Z60 Ultra Roller Complete and the Narwal Flow. Both are top-tier models priced around $1,499, but they take noticeably different approaches to how they clean, maintain themselves, and protect your floors. Special thanks to MOVA for sponsoring this video. Let's start with what they have in common. Both the Z60 and the Flow feature edge recognition using linear laser sensors, which helps them map your home precisely and stay close to baseboards for thorough coverage. Each robot includes an auto-lifting main brush that raises when switching between hard floors and carpet, and extendable side brush that reaches into corners and tight edges. And voice control support for hands-free commands through assistants like Amazon, Google, or Apple. They also share a large capacity battery, allowing for long runtime and efficient multi-room cleaning without frequent recharging. Now, while they look similar on paper, the performance differences are significant. The MOVA Z60 leads with 28,000 pascals of suction power compared to 22,000 pascals on the Narwal Flow. That higher suction allows the Z60 to pull up embedded dirt, dust, and pet hair from deep in carpet fibers, something that's immediately noticeable in testing. When it comes to terrain handling, MOVA's advantage continues. The Z60 can climb obstacles up to 80 millimeters high, while the Flow maxes out at 40 millimeters. This means the Z60 can move over thicker rugs, transitions, or door thresholds without getting stuck. It's also the only one with a chassis lift system, which raises the entire robot body for better traction and maneuverability over uneven surfaces. Another big difference is carpet protection. The Z60 includes auto shield carpet protection, which both lifts the mop and deploys a physical barrier to block moisture from reaching your carpets. The Flow doesn't include a system like this, so carpets rely solely on mop lifting to stay dry. Both robots can lift their mops automatically, but MOVA's lift height is 14 millimeters compared to 10 millimeters on the Narwal. That extra clearance helps prevent accidental damp spots on rugs or uneven flooring. Moving to the brush systems, the Z60 uses dual anti-tangle roller brushes, a design that not only doubles the cleaning contact area, but also minimizes hair wrapping, making it ideal for pet owners. Narwal's Flow relies on a single cyclone air flow roller, which is efficient, but not as thorough or resistant to tangles. The Z60 also adds a side brush lift and an anti-tangle omni wheel, giving it smoother movement and better self-maintenance, while the Flow lacks both features. In mopping performance, the Z60 again pulls ahead with 4,100 pascals of downward pressure, equivalent to around 17 newtons or 2 kilograms of force. The Flow, by comparison, applies 12 newtons on hard floors and about 7 on wood, so MOVA's extra pressure results in a deeper, more consistent scrub. The Z60 also includes an auto solution adding module, which automatically mixes and dispenses dual cleaning solutions from two onboard tanks. One's 400 milliliters, the other is 200 milliliters. The Flow doesn't have a cleaning solution system, meaning all mopping is done with water only. Both models use hot water mop washing to keep the pads or rollers clean, but the Z60's system operates at a higher temperature and provides hot air drying at 63 degrees Celsius or about 145 degrees Fahrenheit, while the Flow's drying reaches 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. That higher drying temperature helps prevent odor buildup and mildew on the mop over time. The Z60 also includes an industry-first fluffing roller system that spins at 1,000 RPM to restore the roller's texture after each wash. This high-speed fluffing keeps the fiber soft and lifted, improving cleaning performance and giving the mop a noticeably more comfortable, plush feel in use. In short, while both the MOVA Z60 Ultra Roller Complete and the Narwal Flow share smart navigation, precise edge cleaning, and strong automation, the Z60 goes several steps further. It offers stronger suction, greater mopping pressure, higher lift capability, and far more advanced self-care features, from the dual cleaning rollers to the auto solution system and higher temperature drying. The Narwal Flow still delivers excellent cleaning with intelligent obstacle avoidance and precise control, but MOVA's Z60 ultimately feels like the more complete, power-focused, and maintenance-free solution for those who want truly hands-off cleaning and maximum performance across every surface.